Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick look at the latest build of Redstone 5 for Windows 10. This is build 17728, and it was released yesterday late in the day. I did not have time to install it yesterday, so I installed it this morning, and I've been using it for the past few hours. And so the install itself went well. The usual, approximately 3 hour from the beginning of the start of preparing the install to the official install itself. The install itself is maybe a 30-minute thing on this machine, which is quite fast. And of course, while the computer's preparing for the build install, you can still work with your PC, so the downtime is very, very small. What's new in 17728? Well, one feature that is not yet functional, but is there, is your phone. If you guys remember, they had announced a few months back something called your phone. So of course, this is different from phone, because right now, if you look at your settings, you have a setting that is called phone, which was simply linking your phone to your PC to continue where you left off on a web page with Edge, for example, to continue with see if you missed phone calls or text messages and stuff like that. But it stayed there. I mean, it didn't do much more than just being kind of a, telling you that your battery's low or stuff like that. Now this experience, your phone, is way different. It is actually an interaction that will be possible with any phone, iOS, Android. You take a picture on your phone, it can automatically sync to your computer. You'll be able to text message on your computer, and it will be sent through your phone, stuff like that. It's a very complete experience, but it's not working yet. It's not working yet. So coming soon, you'll be able to do a lot of things with your phone, and this is really nice because, for example, it will enable you to easily share your pictures with your PC, which is, something that, it's not that it's difficult, but the problem is you got to either send it by email or you got to have some, cloud storage, Google Photos or OneDrive. I link with OneDrive, so I can go through OneDrive and check it out here. But that experience of sharing pictures that you take with your phone will be much better with your phone experience. So right now, this is the page you get, link a phone, and then it's see what you can do. It doesn't do anything. And this is because it's not official yet. It's not ready. In the next few builds, we'll get this. And this is interesting because we hadn't heard of this experience at all. And now it's appearing here, which means this thing is going to be part of Redstone 5. It's going to be part of what we get this fall, which is quite interesting. So, it's going to be nice to see when it's actually functional, what we will be able to do, and I'll be, of course, posting videos about it. For the rest, it's narrator improvements, reliability, scan mode, quick start, providing feedback, move next, previous, change view, keyboard commands, braille. All of that is changed and improved in the narrator stuff. That's pretty much all that we have here that's really new. Of course, the reason why we don't have a lot of stuff to talk about, we are at the last stretch of the bug fixing, mostly of Redstone 5. So, more bug fixes than anything else. So they fix a lot of bugs. There's a lot of little things that are have been worked on, and it also has a lot of issues. So remember that it's still far from being a version to be released. It won't be released before end of September, probably early October. But for now, that's pretty much what we have. It's very stable. I haven't had any issues. One of the things that I like, seems a little faster. I had a lot of performance issues with the last build, where the start menu would take up to a minute before sometimes it would actually appear, or I would click on Edge and would take forever or kind of freeze weirdly where I can't really do anything, and then finally it would close when I actually click at some point. There was kind of a very weird thing happening. It seems to be fixed because since I've been using it, it seems to be faster. I seem to have a lot less issues with that little speed problem today. So this is kind of interesting, and seems to work really, really well. I've had a few people saying that they had some issues. Remember, when you install a build, to remove every USB device that you have on your PC before doing so, and remove your SD cards if you have an SD card with stuff on it, stuff like that. And but I have a perfect and very, very good experience right now with 17728. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and why not share your experience with the latest build.